Okay, experiment number 1, PTC paper. Here are your materials, PTC paper in this container. Although PTC is not found in nature, the ability to taste it correlates strongly with the ability to taste other bitter substances that do occur naturally, many of which are toxins. Place the small piece of PTC paper on your tongue. It can be cut in half if you want to share. Okay, so remember that if you're doing this with someone. Wait until the PTC gets moist on your tongue, and then you're going to rate your experience. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to take this out. And then again, here is the little piece of PTC paper. Now, if I were doing this with someone, I could easily just cut this in half. Either way, long way, hamburger style, hot dog style, doesn't matter. And then each of us will do the same thing. So all you're going to do is place this on your tongue and wait. Okay. Okay. For me, it tastes bitter. Not very bitter, because obviously I could tolerate that. For people who have the bland taste, it just tastes like paper would taste. Okay. And for when it tastes very bitter, it's like you really need to get that off your tongue immediately. Okay, so that's it. That's all you're going to do for the PTC paper experiment. Again, if you want to do it with someone, you can easily cut that piece in half. And there you have it, experiment number 1.